Welcome to Little Wonders. Today we're diving into the amazing world of wildlife as we meet 25 incredible wild animals from across the globe. Let's go. Tiger. Crocodile. Giraffe. Lion. Elephant. Hippopotamus. Whale. Snake. Frog. Bear. Kangaroo. Zebra. Peacock. Rabbit. Reindeer. Wolf. Sheep. Cow. Camel. Fox. Monkey. Dolphin. Panda. Iguana. Beaver. From the savannas to the seas, the animal kingdom is full of little wonders waiting to be discovered. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing adventures. See you soon!